A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear lovely brothers and sisters. Today I'm going to be telling you about a personality who has played an important role in Islam and was also given the title of Zatun Nataqeen by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So now, who is this personality? The answer is Hazrat Asma Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha. So today we are going to talk a few words about Hazrat Asma. So let's start. Now, Hazrat Asma Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha was amongst the early few who accepted Islam. She was the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha and the stepsister of Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa. She was the wife of Hazrat Zubair bin al-Awwam and the mother of Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair. She died at the ripe old age of about 100 years. Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair used to say that he had not seen anybody more generous and open-hearted than his aunt Hazrat Aisha Raziallahu Ta'ala and his mother Hazrat Asma Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha. Hazrat Asma Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha was so generous that she sold her inheritance garden and gave away all the money to the poor and needy. Nobody ever returned empty-handed from her doorstep. So now I'm going to tell you another story, another incident. So let's start. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his close companion Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha migrated from Makkah to Medina in the year 622 AD. When the chiefs of various tribes of Makkah came to know about the migration of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his close companion Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, they got furious. The chiefs were determined more than ever to find them out. They offered huge rewards and bounties for their capture, dead or alive. The preparation for this journey was made at the house of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha. Hazrat Asma Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha rendered useful services in this regard. She prepared food for this journey. She tied the food on the camel's back with her own belt as nothing else could be found. For this service, she was given the title of Zatun Nataqeen by the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as I told you before. During the perilous journey, it was very difficult for anyone to supply food to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The situation was so delicate that the slightest mistake could have endangered the life of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This grand task was nicely taken by Hazrat Asma Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha, the daughter of Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha. Every night, with a pack of the food, she would quietly venture towards the rugged mountains in which lay the cave of Saur. She took care of the minute details in accomplishing the task. How difficult it must have been for her to traverse the rocky path at night with a constant fear of being detected. So it had been so hard for her. On the night of the migration, a tribal chief of the disbelievers, Abu Jahl, in a fit of fury, headed towards Hazrat Asma's house. He began to knock on the door violently, addressing Hazrat Asma. "Where is your father?" She politely replied, "How would I know?" This response shows the wisdom and courage of Hazrat Asma Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha. She did not make a statement that would give him a clue. She simply posed a counter question that infuriated Abu Jahl. He slapped Hazrat Asma's face so hard that her earring fell off, but she remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. Her grandfather, Hazrat Abu Quhafa, was a disbeliever at that time. He was very old and had become blind. He said to her, Asma, I think that Abu Bakr has taken all the wealth, leaving you and children empty-handed and helpless. At this, she instantly ran to a corner of the house. She gathered some pebbles and put them at the place where her father used to keep his money and jewels. She covered it with a piece of cloth. Come, grandfather, look, he has left all this for us. Hazrat Asma's grandfather touched the cloth and thought it was full of gold and jewels. His concern was alleviated and he felt relieved to know that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq had left all his wealth home. Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha will always be remembered for her courage, generosity and wisdom. She had resolute faith in Allah Almighty. Her life would always be a beacon of light for us.